This one.
Yeah, okay, good. Because in cruise, it should be right in the middle.
Runway 10, plan safe traffic.
And we can go west.
Apopka traffic.
And stays in this area for the maneuvers.
Alright, clear right?
Depart the pattern.
Yep, clear.
Quebec is turning downwind runway 14.
We can climb 2,500.
Yeah, that's a good one. Oh, it's pretty.
Plan safe traffic, Skyhawk Fire 1302 uniform, final runway 10, plan safe traffic.
Nice and smooth so far, but it's going to get bumpy later.
Traffic, Cherokee 2045, 5 miles to the west here. We're going to be entering right traffic for runway 23 is faster.
And then for
we have traffic, right? ADSBN.
Plan traffic, Cessna 180 Kilo Sierra, departing out to the southeast. Plan safe traffic.
So he's on over the north, 600 feet below us. And then practice area frequency is 123.
Plan safe traffic, Skyhawk 1302 uniform, going out.
Right there, we can hear now the traffic in this area.
Oh, 1235. Ah. Thanks for teaching me something. Well, you taught me a lot today on it. But that frequency, yeah, I didn't know that.
Yeah, it's, that frequency is like all over Florida almost. Well, not Florida, but this area. Like, you have Apopka, you have Ashby, you have Bithlow, Leesburg, Massey Ranch. They use that frequency. And then climb, power, make sure fuel pump off. So I like to do this checklist at 500 feet.
Okay.
And then instrument, taxi, and landing light off. So you can do landing off. And then move to fin strap. There you go.
Alright, so it's going to start accelerating.
Once you cruise, let's do some clear turns.
What do you normally cruise at?
23.
Okay.
The aircraft likes to fly.
Sure does. Alright, let's just... Yeah, now it's okay. So what are we doing, 130 miles an hour?
Yep.
Not bad. Oh, really? Not bad at all.
Yeah, it's a nice.
Want to lean this out a little? Well, it's not that important to me. It's whatever you feel.
Yeah, I usually start leaning above 3. POH in this aircraft they say this is 5,000, but I do 3. Once I'm on 3,000 or above 3,000, I start leaning just to save fuel. But we're gonna be doing maneuvers, so just leave it rich. Let's do some clear turns, get away from these clouds as well.
I know. I think that's a good idea. Clear right. Yeah, I knew this was gonna head out over there.
Traffic up there, no factor.
Stop record. Area White Skyhawk 38, Focal Quebec. Overhead Lake Ashby 2,500 going eastbound now. Stop record. Stop record, area West Skyhawk Red Tail 319, Echo Papa is 4,600 over top of the shoreline. Under the restricted shelf, steep spiraling parking lot.
Okay, good. I don't see anyone around.
It's nice to have that, but you never know if somebody's doesn't have theirs on or working.
So that's why we always need to be scanning.
Yeah, and once you see it there, it's best to try to find it. You can't always do it though.
Yep. So I can do the comms, I can report ourselves. Let's start with a slow fly. Lake Apopka practice area. Archer 979 Charlie is over the southeast shore of Lake Apopka, westbound 2005, slow fly, Apopka.
Apopka traffic error, Skyhawk 62770 is over the middle, Lake Apopka 3000, slow flight installed, Apopka.
Oh, ain't that nice.
You can add some flaps, make it 30, or landing configuration.
25, you said, or 40?
40, yeah, full flaps.
Oh, you're listening to my breathing.
Okay, good, let's do a right turn to the north.
Power controls altitude, pitch controls airspeed.
Oh, correct.
Stay north.
Yeah, north.
And you want to go with to the left? Give it a little more power, huh? Should be a standard rate.
Yeah, standard rate on slow flights, yep. Okay, once let's go back north. So once you're in the north, let's do a power off stall. I see a traffic down there, no factor. Yep, level north.
Okay.
Apopka fracture, Skyhawk 62770, middle Lake Apopka 3000 feet westbound, slow flight.
Have you inside? Do you have me inside, like a Apopka?
No, I don't. Thank you,
Inside 62770.
For the Lake Apopka practice area, Archer 979 Charlie, almost over the center.